Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this partner van in the professional specification. The back is ply lined and you get easy access through the sliding side door. In the front you've got DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity. There's air conditioning, cruise control, and you get a separate TomTom sat-nav. So let's have a look around. This van was originally sold by us from you and has a full service history well ourselves as well. It's done less than 30,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.